Hi guys, it's Erfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you my trade that I got stopped out of. I highly recommend you to watch the next video, which is my live trading session. I want to show you why I got stopped out. And this is exactly what happened. It's not on replay mode or anything like this. It's real results. I got stopped out and I want to show you how I analyze the market and why it happened. But watch the live trading session after this video, because you can see how I react to certain price actions when it's actually moving. But in this video, because everything is recorded, everything is already happened, then you cannot really see how I'm trading. So this is just a breakdown. It's like a brief breakdown of my trade, and then after that you see my live trading session. So when I woke up in the morning, I kind of woke up late today, and I actually switched my time frame to 15-minute time frame. I noticed that we have a very good high probability order block exactly right here. So as you can see, we had a huge spike. I was waiting for the price to come back to this level, and then I could take my trade. And so far we had a bullish trend because we are creating higher highs and higher lows here. We had a break of a structure here. That's why I said, okay, so this is a really good one to actually go long. So I was waiting for the price to come back to this level here. So, and then I changed my, and then I woke up around this area. So let me just delete everything here. I saw this, and then I saw this momentum here. So I said, okay, that's amazing. It's respecting the order block. It's a high probability order block. We have a huge gap here. It's uptrend. We have a bullish engulfing candle here. So it's a very good momentum to go long. So, and then I took my trade. Let me show you where I took my trade exactly. Let me show you. It wasn't here. I was still sleeping. Yeah, it was exactly right here. It was exactly right here. I put my stop loss here, and then I took two trades. I wanted to close one of them around this area, and the other one right here, because we have a high probability order block in this area as well. And then what happened was really unfortunate. So if I'm not wrong, it was here, and then it came down and stopped me out. So unfortunately the order block didn't work out well, and the market was crazy. I wanted to close my trade, to be honest with you, and the reason was seeing this candle here. So let me just delete everything. This candle here, see this huge rejected candle here that the sellers push the price towards downside, and we have head and shoulder here. So I wanted to close it. I said, okay, I want to stick to my plan. When I take a trade exactly on high probability order blocks, I'm gonna wait for it. It probably works out. So that's why I didn't want to buy and sell at the same time, or just close my buy positions. And also I wanted to do something, so I had to leave earlier. I said, okay, I'm gonna leave a runner and see what happens, and I got stopped out. But this was a really good momentum to close your trade, because this candle is very strong. It's a red candle. It's a hammer, reverse hammer candle that got rejected by sellers. They pushed the price down, and that's why you can see this a big shadow here. And we have a head and shoulder. So we have a head and shoulder. Everything's clear. You could actually close your trade and take a sell position with a small lot size. Put your stop loss here and your TP right here, and that would be a really good trade. And as you can see, this is what happened. It even go further, very further, and here we are. All this liquidity around this area, all of them have been grabbed. See, there's so much liquidity around this area. All of them have been grabbed, and now the price is trying to go back. See, after what happened, it just tried to go back, and it did, because we had a high probability order block exactly from here to here, and it probably broke this order block as well. I'm not sure, but yeah, this order block is already broken. I didn't take that, but I'm just saying that we had that high probability order block as well, and we are in this area right now. So this is what happened, guys, for GBPUSD. Everything was okay, everything seemed okay, but this candle kind of screwed up everything because I wanted to reverse. So I hope that you liked this video, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up right now. Don't forget to watch the next video so you can see why I took that trade. Everything is going to be different when you watch something live. So, and if you have any question, drop your comment below in the description, in the comments area. I personally get back to you and answer all your questions. So see you in the next video. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Erfan here with smartincubator.com, and welcome to another live trading session. You know that we are gonna start our day with a very cool, not really cool, new fundamental calendar to see what's going on today, and if you have any important news to be careful. Okay, so 8:30 is already done. Like 4 minutes ago, USD, we have a very important news. So right now we have nothing else. So let's go to trading view, and we are going to start our day with GBPUSD, my favorite one. And I have my MT4 open here. So far so good, nothing special. I'm going to go for what do you call it, GBPUSD, EURUSD, NAS100, and then gold. So GBPUSD, as you can see, let me just turn off this 50 EMA here. So the liquidity is already grabbed for here, so it was for yesterday, and I'm in a 15-minute time frame. It's kind of choppy, but in overall I think we have a downtrend market. See, this is a downtrend market, but in overall we are kind of choppy, and we had this high probability order block right here. See guys, we had this high probability order block, so this is a really good one. This is a really good one because we have very good space in between, and now the price is trying to go up. See, this is now the price is trying to go up, and this is a really good one because if you take your position here, put your stop loss here, you can take one of your profits exactly right here, and the other one, for example, you can take it from here to somewhere around here. Okay, you can leave a runner and you can put your stop loss here. So this could be a good one because of this high probability order block and because of this huge spike towards upside. As you can see, we left so many gaps, and now the price tapped into this level, went up again, tapped into this level, tested this level, and now it's trying to go up. So as you can see, I'm in a position right now on a $10,000 account for FDMO, and I'm going to put my stop loss around this area, and one of my TPs here and the other one right here. I could also put it here, but I'm going to kind of close my profits here, one of them here and one of them here, and it probably does a little bit of correction, but that's totally fine because we still have momentum. It's still potential to go for a long position. And if I want to go to 1 hour to show you, how long we can actually hold this trade, I would say that because we have a high probability order block around this area, there's a high chance that you can also hold it up to here, but I'm not going to do that. I'll probably do, I don't know, if my first TP smash, then I'm going to leave it on for the second one because we have a huge spike towards downside here, bearish engulfing candle, and then we have this gap in between this candle and this order block. See, I'm going to actually take that to see what happens, but yeah, so far so good, guys. Let me show you. Yeah, this is where we can actually potentially hold it for, but this huge candle towards upside and this correction is a really good indicator, because even the Fibonacci shows us that this level between 60% and 70% got rejected, so it means it got respected here and here. These two got respected towards upside, and then the buyers push the price towards upside. So that's a really good indicator for me to kind of make sure everything's going good. But so far so good. So this is gonna be the first TP, this is gonna be the second TP. Let me show you here. Okay, because I took them in the same spot, and this is the Fibonacci here. If it wants to do a correction, then it probably does it here, and I probably move my stop loss around this area. This is one of them. The other one is going to be 936, 963. I'm going to put it here. 35, 325. 35, 325, and yeah, now we have two stop losses here. Okay, so that's gonna be a good one. Even right now, I can literally put my stop loss here too because of this huge candle, but I can kind of close it right because we have a resistance level here. But since we have so many potentials around this level, and this level, I'm not really going to close my profit right here, because I know that we have a space. So that's why I could even like hold it up to here, as I told you. I could hold it up to C, because let me show you here on MT4 that how much space we have right here that is not filled in. See this candle here, and this one in 1 hour. In 1 hour, this is a high probability order block, exactly right here. So I could hold it up to here because the price is probably trying to go up to way up here. See? So I can probably close the first one here, move my stop loss to the second one, to break even, and then I just wait for runner. It's going to be a really good trade, and in my opinion it's going to tap into, because the thing is that we have these higher highs and higher lows, kind of higher highs and higher lows, and this huge candle towards upside, this correction, this momentum again. So that's what I'm saying, it's probably going up to all the way up to here. But if you want, you can close the first one here and close the second one here if you're super brave. But it depends on you guys. It depends on you which one you want to go for. If you want to get in and out of the market super quick, then it's probably a good one to go for. Otherwise, you know, it's totally up to you. But yeah, I don't know, this one is a good one. I'm going to hold it. I want to see what happens if I hold the runner for a while, because I'm going to move my stop loss to break even, but I'm going to take this one from here to here because it's a really obvious one, or even right here for 100 pounds. Yeah, now we'll see what happens. So this is for EURUSD. I'm going to go back to 5 minutes and look at this momentum, guys. That's a beautiful one. And yeah, and if I want to use my Fibonacci to see where it's going to do a correction, see, our golden zone is exactly around this area. So if you want to do a little correction, it probably comes down to this area and then it goes up again. So that's why even if I put my stop losses around this area, that's totally fine, as long as it doesn't hit 70%. So this is 70% and this is 70%, so I don't have to go all the way down. See, this is 70%. That's a really good spot. That's a really good spot for stop loss. I'm not going to touch my stop loss, guys, because everything is going good. It's a correction, now continuation towards upside, hopefully. If you don't get stopped out. Okay, so let's go for EURUSD, guys. EURUSD is probably the same on 15-minute time frame. See, guys, this huge drop towards downside, and this huge drop here, and this trend right here. So we have liquidity around this area that is not tapped into. We have this huge spike towards upside. This liquidity is already grabbed. Now we are doing a little bit of correction, so I don't know which level it is. It is still not tapped into any level in Fibonacci, and now it's going up to grab this liquidity right here. So we need to wait for a correction for sure, because it's kind of riskier, but we have a high probability order block exactly right here. Okay, this is a high probability order block. 5-minute time frame. Look at this huge spike, grab the liquidity. Now it's choppy, now it's going up again, grab the liquidity. Now we gotta wait for a really good momentum, correction. So in this case we can use the Fibonacci level again. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, we can use the Fibonacci level again, because the thing is that we don't have any high probability order block, and you gotta see that where the spike happened. So we had this correction here and then continuation towards downside, but if I'm not wrong, yeah, it's actually started from here. So this is a golden zone here. I'm going to put my horizontal ray if it actually gives us any momentum. And then I'm going to delete this. I'm going to wait for correction to tap into this level, and then I take my long position if it doesn't want to go further, to stop out all these buyers here, because even here we have a good support. See this support level here? This is a good support level, and we have so much liquidity around this area because the buyers got into the market around this area. So you got to pay attention to that as well. And let's go to NAS100 real quick to see what's going on here. Wow, look at this gap here. Oh, by the way, I took this trade yesterday, I think, yeah, and that was a good one. So I'm going to look at this huge gap. Look at this, guys. This definitely has to come back, definitely. But when, we don't exactly know, but because of this break of a structure here, the price is trying to go down to fill in all these gaps around this area. And if I go to 50 minutes, you see that's crazy. It's crazy. And this is a Fibonacci level, very clean, very clean. And this is a 50% level exactly. I'm going to draw a box from here all the way to here, and I'm gonna wait for the price. So this is where it has potential, guys, that the price goes to all the way to this level to tap into this our golden zone, and then it gives us a really good momentum towards upside. But I want to go back to 50 minutes to see if I want to take the like sell trade here. It literally started from here all the way to here, so that might be a really good one to take into consideration. Let's see what happens exactly. I'm going to take it here. Yeah, so far so good, because you know you can take advantage of both sides. So you know that it's not really creating lower lows and lower highs. It's trying to, because it's trying to reach this level to fill in all these huge gaps. But I just wanted to draw my Fibonacci from all the way from the top all the way to the bottom to see where I can potentially take my sell trade and go towards direction. And I want to see where we have any kind of you know, correction. Because of these huge red candles here, we need to have a correction and then go up. So this is for NAS100. We need to wait more, guys. I think so far our potential trade is GBPUSD, which is a good one. And as I said, we have, you know, so many good levels. Even if I want to show you the levels in 4 hour, that's a good one. 4 hours sometimes is good if you want to identify any kind of level. Yeah, because of this, look at this liquidity. We have so many liquidity to fill in. We have this support here. This is a very strong support level that still needs to be tapped into, because we have so much liquidity around this area. There's so many gaps, but it's creating this level to go up, tap into this to, like, you know, stop out all these sellers here and then come back to stop out all these buyers. But it can, you know, reverse any time. We don't know. This is what I'm just saying, that this might happen. This is something that might happen. But I'm going to, as I said, the first one here, 100 pounds. The second one, I'm going to close it here. I know it's a crazy one, but let's just go for it. I mean, you know, I think it's more than that. Yep. Yeah, I want to see what happens, guys, because it has potential. I'm not going to close this one manually, never ever. The first one is going to be here, the second one is going to be over there. Okay, so let's go for gold, and I want to show you what's going on around gold, because that could be a good one, guys, to be honest with you, and at the same time the most dangerous one. So wow, look at this, guys, look at this. US dollar is dropping bad, and look at this here. And from here to here, we have a Fibonacci level, high probability order block exactly on top, which you don't really count on, because it's exactly like it's this resistance level. You know, this is a resistance level, and we have a high probability order block here, so there's a high chance that it doesn't get respected and then just blast through this resistance level to stop out all these sellers around this area. But and this is for 1 hour. If I go to, and we have a liquidity grab here for 15 minutes. For 50 minutes, yeah, the same thing. I can't see any high probability order block. I just can see this, you know, golden zone here, and I'm going to put my alarm here, and yeah, that's it. So, and here it's creating a support level because of this. See, it tapped into this level, it went up, it tapped into this level, got rejected, again it tapped into this level, got rejected, and it closed above 2 previous candles. See, so it means, in my opinion, it's trying to respect this level after grabbing the liquidity around this area to go higher and fill in all these gaps in the middle between 50% to 60%, and we have a, we have this alarm right here. So that's what I'm saying, guys. I mean, my opinion is this is what's going to happen, but anyways, we don't know, but it's a really good potential. So I probably take my, if it was me, I probably take my buy position above this level. And yeah, so I was saying that if it gets closed above this level, it's a really good chance that it's trying to tap into this level. But so far, it's doing its consolidation. But this support level kind of drew my attention because of these rejections, 3 rejections, and it's a liquidity. It's probably a liquidity grab because so many buyers are going to take their position here after seeing these rejections, and they put the stop loss here, and the banks and institutions know that, right? Because we don't have any liquidity grabber on this area, so it's probably coming down, stop them out, and then it goes up. So we'll see what happens, but I'm going to put one horizontal radar on this area and see what exactly happens. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep you posted for this trade to see what happens exactly, if it's going to tap into my zone or not. I'll keep you posted for sure. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also if you have any question, drop your comment here. So before that, I want to show you one thing. I want to show you how much profit Goldie Incubator made. As you can see, it's crazy, guys. Today is February 15th. Look at this, $11, $11, $11, $11, $11, $11. See how many trades it took. Like, literally, it's crazy. And if I want to show you this, these are all these small trades that this robot took, and we are over, see, over 100%, like, sorry, 10%. Because it was $10,000, and you can literally check out the live results on my FX book. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can see yourself that how much profit, 10%, 10.77%, and it's going crazy, guys. Just today, it was 10,800 something. It made $200 in like less than 2-3 hours, and now the balance is $11,000 in less than a month. January 21st, today is February 15th. In less than a month, we got 10% gain and 0.45% daily gain, which is crazy. Only 1% drawdown. Like, it's crazy. Profitability is 90 out of 102, and we are crushing January because at the end I installed this at the end of January, so we still had time. But 5.86% so far. Wow, it's crazy. Yeah, go check it out yourself, guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment here. If you want to see similar results, go grab your license from smartincubator.com and send us an email. We'll manually activate your account. So thank you so much, and to see you very soon.